Hi guys, I have an update for my spot welder. This time I have attached the module and the battery on the spot welder battery, and finally this foot pedal came from China. It was very cheap and now it's complete. Every time I press the button with my foot, it makes a 0.1 second weld, and every time I have constant welds. So it goes like this. I have a delay for about 5 minutes, so even if I leave my foot on the pedal, I won't mind. And every time I press it, it starts from the beginning. So this is the module. Takes power from a battery. It's not glued on the battery. I have put a Velcro behind it so I can charge it again. It's rechargeable. And from here I close the circuit of the minus of the module, and from the other side it opens and closes the circuit for the solenoid switch, the minus side. It's very easy, and now I think we can say we have a professional spot welder. This time you don't have to use your hands. You don't have to use only one hand and with the other one press the button. Now you have the pedal on the foot, and you can use both your hands, especially when you have a lot of batteries packs to solder, to weld. So I'm going to show you some welds. I don't have batteries right now, but I'm going to have a nickel strip and something metal to join, and I will do it a couple of times so you can see. Okay, the foot pedal is here, and I'm going to try to make some welds. Here's the first, second, third. You can see here the ones are really good. You can take it off, even if the metal here is really tough. You can get it off. The ones are great every time. 0.1 seconds every time I press the button with my foot, and I can use both my hands. Let's make some more. So, right here. Hope you like it, guys. See ya.